I think performance and coming on screen, language does not matter.
In 2018, I produced a Marathi film.
A lot of work is left, as in not shooting, but post-production and things like this. We are on it.
The perspective of viewers has changed now. They want to see performances. They want to see stories.
The industry is getting larger monetarily. I mean, पहले 2000 करोड़ की थी, अब I think it'll reach 10 billion, I think, because of including the OTT and all.
OTT.
It's a fabulous thing. स्टार्स अपनी राइट पे स्टार्स हैं और वो रहेंगे, बट ये जो नए लोग उभर के आ रहे हैं विद देयर परफॉर्मेंस, दे आर आल्सो बिकमिंग स्टार्स ओनली.
सर, हमने पिछला इंटरव्यू किया था आपके साथ में, आपने एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टेटमेंट आपने कही थी, विच अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल दे रेजोनेटेड विद दैट लेटर, दैट आपने कहा था कि दैट एरा ऑफ सुपरस्टार्स और सुपरस्टारडम इज़ ओवर नाउ. And incidentally, उसके बाद lockdown and the entire OTT thing happened after that. We have had a lot of new stars who have come about, like Pankaj Tripathi or these Jaideep Ahlawat and everyone. There's a new definition of stardom in a way as well. आप कैसे देखते हैं सर ये जो आपने एक बात कही थी?
I think it's a very positive thing. अच्छे टैलेंट को चांस मिल रहा है, अच्छे एक्टर्स आ रहे हैं. स्टार्स अपनी राइट पे स्टार्स हैं और वो रहेंगे, बट ये जो नए लोग उभर के आ रहे हैं विद देयर परफॉर्मेंस, दे आर आल्सो बिकमिंग स्टार्स ओनली, यू नो, इवेंचुअली. सो इट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग. द मोर द मेरियर. आई थिंक हम जब कास्टिंग करते हैं तो हमको 10 बार सोचना पड़ता है, यार ये कैरेक्टर बहुत अच्छा है लेकिन कोई सूट नहीं कर रहा है, इसमें कोई मिल नहीं रहा कैरेक्टर. अब वो चीज़ें आसान होती जा रही है. देयर आर 10 ऑप्शंस, तो विच इज़ अ ग्रेट थिंग ऑफ फिल्म मेकिंग.
Right. And you're having Bhuj that is releasing on a platform that is hugely popular in India, and it is present in various parts of the world as well. So on a given day, it will reach out to a huge number of people directly in their homes. How do you look at this?
That's the great thing. When we work, the intention is that maximum people see it, appreciate it, hopefully, लेकिन देखें ज़रूर. तो अगर आपके पास ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जिस पे आपको पता है कि लोग देखेंगे और अपनी सुविधा के साथ जब उनको मौका मिलेगा देखेंगे, तो वो ज़रूर देखेंगे. तो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट फीलिंग फॉर एवरी एक्टर, एवरी टेक्नीशियन, एवरी फिल्म मेकर.
Right. And amongst the superstars, I think you are the first ones to announce a web show on as Rudra is something.
I think मुझसे पहले अक्षय ने अनाउंस किया था.
Yeah, but I think he has still not started from what I understand.
Shooting ही हुई है, but he announced before.
He announced, yeah, of course. But I think you are in the entire process of filming.
Yeah, I'm already shooting.
Yeah, so I'm saying maybe from that perspective, how different an experience is this, sir?
I think it's similar. It's similar as practically similar to shooting a film. So I don't see any difference between, because that is also like a film but an extended version of a film. You know, it's like a couple of episodes. Yeah. So I think फर्क ज़्यादा नहीं.
And you have earned a lot of popularity because of your OTT experiences. So tell us how's life changed for you?
Yeah, the reach increased obviously because these series, like if you say Special Ops or Family Man, is hugely viewed by people. I think it's rated also quite high on IMDb. So reach has increased, and people know, and the perspective of viewers has changed now. They want to see performances. They want to see stories. So with that, I think for us as an actor, it's a huge advantage that OTT is there, and you can do different kind of roles and showcase your talent, get the opportunity also to do it. So it's a fantastic phase, I think, not just me, but I think for all the actors.
All right, and sir, almost everyone is waiting for theatres to open up. We've seen down south, like Master, it has achieved in terms of success as far as theatres are concerned. Hindi, we are still to see that.
Because it's not open completely, but the moment it will open, I think people will flock to the theatres because
they're waiting.
Cinema experience is cinema experience. So just keeping fingers crossed. I think just not down south. I think all over the world, wherever theatres are opened, films which have released have done fabulously well. Even I just heard
Fast and Furious did pretty well.
Even day before yesterday I was told Ami's film is releasing, has opened to a great advance. So I think it's a good thing, and it's bound to happen.
And so personally, how do you look at the future of entertainment in India?
It's growing. It's growing now that you have theatres when they open up, and you have OTT. Like I said, a lot of new talent has scope. The industry is getting larger monetarily. I mean, पहले 2000 करोड़ की थी, अब I think it'll reach 10 billion, I think, because of including the OTT and all.
OTT.
It's a fabulous thing.
Right. Okay. And what are your plans in terms of how are you going to just mingle your films and web shows?
Waiting for theaters to open. So many films have piled up now, I think, to release. So I'm waiting for theaters to open, I think. Then one by one, all the films release. Because I almost finished 5 in last 1 year. So कितना काम करूँ, देखे भी तो लोग जाके बाहर.
And so we've been discussing about your directorial plans, and people are really excited to see you back as a director. How excited are you personally, and
It's
what is
nearly
it that people-
complete. I think next year it's releasing. Still a lot of work is left, as in not shooting, but post-production and things like this. We are on it.
Right, and Maidan is something that people are looking forward to very
I have to
eagerly.
still shoot for it. There is a couple of days shooting left. So again, both the films will be next year.
And that is something that you plan to release in theaters, Maidan?
Yeah, both the films.
All right, okay. And so, as a producer, are you thinking from this strategy in terms of that maybe you want to mix in terms of films and
As a
OTT?
producer, I am already. We're working on a lot of series, OTT films, and theatre releases. So all different things happening.
Right. And Sharad, what about you? Do you have any plans of getting into production?
Already did one in 2018. I produced a Marathi film. Well, slowly, gradually, because to set it up, I think it takes a lot of time, and I am a believer that I should go slow in that, as I worked in my acting career also. I don't want to run or fall, so I'll go slow. Obviously, the plans are there. Let's see how it goes.
All right. And so interestingly, like say he was part of Family Man. The interesting part in that is that there is Tamil and there is Hindi and English, and so languages in many ways it's not an issue anymore. How do you look at this aspect, and do you think that at some stage maybe you would want to have like a Marathi element? We've seen that in Singham, for example.
I produced a Marathi film also.
Right. Now, in terms of like Marathi, Hindi, and everything naturally coming together.
I think performance and coming on screen, language does not matter.
Of course.
If you hear something great and you think this is a fabulous thing to do, then it doesn't matter what language it is.
Right.
And I think like all over the world, it's like this.
All right. So I think there are other interviews that are lined up. So we'll end it over here. So thank you very much, sir, and thank you for your time, and thank you very much, Sharad. And आपसे बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है Zoom call के बाद finally
सामने
सामने. So thank you very much, sir, and all the best wishes. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks.
Thank you.